Hey guys, just got my box from FedEx for Kiara Sky and thought I would open it with you, do an unboxing together. So here we go. I haven't even seen what's in this yet. Oh my god, the peanuts are heart-shaped. They're little hearts. So I got the sea glass collection of acrylics, which I will test out in a moment. And I got a bunch of glitters and more acrylics. Oh my god, there's so much in here. Oh, here's the acrylics. Oh, they look gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna test those out in a second. But then I also got a bunch of glitters, if you can imagine. Oh, check these out. That is gorgeous. Just, oh my god, breathtaking. Literally. And what I love about the Kiara Sky is the size of them for the price. Because a lot of other companies, for around the same price, maybe a couple dollars difference, you get the little packages, like the little tiny rounds of glitter. Whereas these are huge. These are like 1 ounce acrylic sizes for your glitters. This is all glitters. And it's literally, I think, 13 bucks a piece. And I know a lot of companies that sell their tiny little glitters for around the same price. And the quality is there, for sure. Like, you can just see them glistening and gleaming. Oh, what's this one? This is incredible looking. Boss Bee. Oh, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Hollow. I think it's called. Oh, no. Hollow Grail. And then Cosmo, please. Yes, please. Could use a Cosmo. I just love how they package their stuff too. It's so cute. Oh, wow. I wish you guys could see this stuff in person. It's so beautiful. Sequin party. Gorgeous. And those two were Iridescent and B-Day Bash. What's in this box? This is a weird box. Oh, I forgot. I think I got a velvet matte. Yeah, I got one of their velvet matte top coats because I don't really like the top coat I have that's velvet. I just love their packaging. Like, look how cute this is. And it has the little heart peanuts inside to keep it safe. Still got 2 more boxes of glitters to go, and then we'll check out the acrylics real quick. Oh, that one's beautiful. A little ruby slipperish. I love it. I just love their glitters. Oh my god. Fucking love them. Oh, that's beautiful. What's that? Ice Queen. Check out Ice Queen. Sorry I got the shakes. Again, too much coffee. Stardust. Oh, that's different looking. And Citrus Got Real. Citrus Got Real. That's pretty. Awesome. So this is the Sea Glass collection. This is only 2, 4, 6, 6 of the, I guess there's 9 in it because I received 9. Maybe I ordered an extra one because I don't know. Don't listen to me. But anyways, this first color we have here is Top That. That is the name of it. It's got a nice little shimmer to it, but it looks like it'd be a beautiful cover color. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Like butter. Just like butter. Now this looks pretty. I'm not sure if it's going to be more on the pink or red side. It's called Pretty Things. And it sure is pretty. Next is Berry Balm. I'm obsessed with this color. It looks gorgeous. I just love it. Looks like it might be a jelly. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. Next color is Sea Gem, which is just so cute. Be perfect for spring. Next is Pineapple. Cute names. I love this color too. Can you see them well? It's like a jelly too. The last 3 are more jelly colors. This one's just gorgeous now that it's setting up. And then this last one here is so juicy. There's still 3 more colors though to do. And the last 3 colors we have here is, the first one we have is Frosted Glass. So I don't believe it has much of a color to it. It's just supposed to give stuff that milky look. So maybe I'll put it over this pink and see what it does. because it's just the name itself tells you what it is. Frosted glass, I assume. Then the next one is A to C. A to C, sorry. Oops, I dropped it. And last one is Jelly Much. This one looks like it's going to be beautiful. Well, they all are. Shit. I absolutely love this collection. It's just gorgeous. It's worth every penny. I know I paid under $250 for it for all 10 or 9 colors. I wish I could remember exactly how much it was, but as you can see here, you get 2 glitters, and then what do we have here? 2, 4, 6 jellies, and 1 clear frosted color. And I think for the price, it's definitely worth it because they're all very large 1-ounce containers, just like their glitters. Maybe their glitters are a bit smaller, but they sure look like 1 ounce to me. Still worth every cent. And anyways, I hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I hope this brought you some relief, or at least a bit of a getaway from your everyday life, and got to enjoy something. Have a great night. Bye, guys.